Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2016 Mercedes-Benz C43 AMG. So any screen, you can do one or two things. You can either click the star button here and then turn that until you get to navigation, or you can just click Navi there. Sometimes Navi won't come on. If it's the first time, it will say confirm to make sure you're not going to be distracted. So that's it. So that's the screen come up. What we do now, click the selector forward, and that brings a new menu up at the bottom. So we click down to destination, select destination by pressing address entry, select, press the button, and then we want postcode, which is the easiest way. So you can navigate across here and change between the top line of the menu and the bottom by pulling back towards you. Click, select postal code, and then we're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, PR, gone over here to the numbers, 5 4 E A, highlighted PR5 4EA. You select that. It's giving you the option to go to a street, but we can click along to start, and click start.
Your route is being calculated. Please make a U-turn if possible.
That's it. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching.